So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy official Trump cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, at the bottom in the middle, select the magnifying glass. Once you're here, at the top where it says search by name or symbol, go ahead and just type in Trump or type in official Trump, ticker symbol Trump. Go ahead and select it. Once you're here, just go down to the bottom and select buy. Now, once you're on this page, you can type in the amount of crypto that you want to buy. So in this case, if you wanted to do like $6, you would type in 6 and then just press on review. Then on this page, you can review how much of Trump official you're buying, the fees, the cost, etc. And if this looks good at the bottom where it says swipe up to submit, just swipe up to submit the order that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy official Trump cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.